In this video, we're going to evaluate the definite integral from 0 to 2 of x squared minus 2 over x plus 1. So the integrand is a rational expression. The degree of the numerator is 2, degree of the denominator is 1. So it's not in proper form here. You might consider partial fractions, but first we have to rewrite this. So first thing we'll do here is do some long division. So let's take the numerator, we'll divide it by the denominator. So you got x squared minus 2, got it in descending powers, got the divisor in descending powers, so we just go x into x squared would be x. Multiply times the divisor, x times x is x squared. X times 1 is x. Then we subtract here, x squared subtract x squared, cancels. Got 0 minus x will be minus x. And 0 from minus 2, let's bring that down, minus 2. Continue. X into minus x is a minus 1. Multiply, minus 1 times the divisor will give me a minus x here. And minus 1 times 1 is a minus 1. And subtract. Negative x minus a negative x cancels. Minus 2 minus a minus 1 will give me minus 2 plus 1. So this will be a minus 1. Now we can rewrite this. Limits are still from 0 to 2. And let's replace the integrand with what we got over here. So the quotient here is x minus 1. The remainder is negative 1, so that would be over x plus 1. And then we're just going to integrate with respect to x here. So term by term here. Integral of x with respect to x is x squared over 2 minus 1. The integral of that with respect to x is a minus x. And then we've got a minus 1 over the x plus 1. So let's put the minus out here. If you look at 1 over x plus 1, that's the form of your natural log here. So this would be the natural log of absolute x plus 1. No constant of integration here because we have a definite integral, not an indefinite one. Now we put the limits of integration here. This will go from 0 to 2. So let's evaluate it 2. Put 2 where the x is here. 2 squared is 4 divided by 2. That's 2. Put a 2 here where the x is, minus x, that would be minus 2. Put a 2 here. This would be a 2 and 1 would be 3, so it would be a minus natural log of 3. And then it's minus the value of this expression at 0. I'll put a 0 here. 0 squared is 0 over 2 is 0. Minus 0, that's still 0 here. And then put a 0 here where I have the x here, that's a 1. And the natural log of 1 is 0. So all of this is 0. This would just be 0 here. And then 2 minus 2, of course, is 0. So that leaves me then with minus the natural log of 3. I'm going to leave this as an exact answer here, minus the natural log of 3. If it asks for approximation, you can use your calculator. But for right now, that's the answer for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.